Welcome back. To complete this, I just wanted to show you that how can you really create a table, and then how can you copy the data into it from a public file which is available on the cloud. So for this, what we will do is we will create a table, and then we will try to copy the data from the bucket which is publicly available, S3 bucket. So let's see what are the steps we need to do before that. So since we created the alpha edge first table here, so we will create a second table, which is called contacts. So why I choose contacts, this is in the Snowflake documentation. We know what are the columns, so we are creating a table, say contacts. So the first step is to create a table called contacts, because our plan is to load the contacts 1.csv, which is currently available publicly on Snowflake docs under tutorials, under data loading, under contacts 1.csv. So in order to load this, we'll go through this step what exactly is happening here. But before that, what we have to do is we just have to create the table in the public schema of our first database. So let me run it. So if I refresh it, the contacts table is created. Now when we will query it, there is nothing in it because we just created it. There's no data here. Now we will use the copy command. So we will go through the copy command in more details, but for now I just wanted to show how the files available at the cloud S3 buckets are loaded into the Snowflake. So the command goes something like this: copy into table name, which is contacts here. From here in the from, we give the public S3 bucket path of a file, and then we just give a file format. In file format, we need to specify what type of file is this. So it is CSV file. What is the delimiter in this file? It is a pipe type, and the default is comma, but in this file it is pipe type, so we have to give this. And then the skip header is one, like we have to skip the header when we are copying this file. So let me run this command, and so the output comes something like this. So file, this particular file, contact1.csv, the status is loaded, how many rows are parsed, how many rows are loaded, and further information is actually shown, which we will go in more details when we will, what are all these columns mean, when we will cover the copy command. So let's go to the select a star from contacts table and see whether we got the data or not. So you see we got the ID, we got the last name, first name, work phone, everything we can easily load it. So just to give you guys how simple it is to load a file from Snowflake, from the S3 to the Snowflake directly from a file using a copy command. So I hope you like this, and thank you for very much for watching, and I will see you soon.